Hi, it's Zach here, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Ego Audiobook Library. Now, this library actually comes in 2 different volumes, and each volume contains 125 full-fledged audiobooks, and they're all classics. So between the 2 volumes, you have 250 audiobooks. Each one has over 500 hours of content. Now, the great thing about this is that it's super easy to use. You plug the included USB thumb drive into your computer, where you will find the MP3 format of all the different audiobooks that come on here. From there, you can transfer them onto your smartphone, your tablet, your MP3 player, whatever it is you like to listen to music on. You can also listen to those MP3 files of the audiobooks. Now, these aren't just obscure titles on here either. You have great classics like White Fang, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, and The Count of Monte Cristo. In fact, there's a full listing of both volumes available on our website for you to view. Now, while the USB thumb drive is great for having those MP3 files readily available for you, you can actually download the companion app that goes along with this for free, and each one of these audio library books comes with a scratch-off on the back when there's a code underneath, which you can type into the app, and it automatically gives you that whole library right there on the app that you can listen to. And you have a couple different things you can do on the app as well, like slow down the book or speed it up depending on your listening style. Now, each one of these files is recorded in a professional studio, so they sound amazing. You are absolutely going to enjoy this, and we have a fantastic deal on it considering the sheer numbers of books that come with this, and you're going to save more when you buy more, and of course you can mix and match with that deal as well. So head on over to the site and grab your Ego library today.